Welcome back. This week I have another painting. I wanted to do a landscape and I wanted it to have kind of a glowy sky and look kind of like it was morning. So here you can see me sketching out the landscapes surrounding it as usual in grayscale so that I can add color in later. I painted this live on Twitch and I didn't have, other than the landscape, I didn't have anything else I was going to add into it. But I did end up adding some dragon birds or something like that flying in the background, and then some type of ranger. Looks like he might be hunting those burbs in the foreground. And this was part of a longer stream. I think it was an 8-hour stream, and I painted this, which probably took around 5 hours, and then I did a couple other paintings as well. But this video is just the landscape painting. You can see adding color, adding a city in the background. And I do use reference photos. The landscape, I did use one, but I usually change things about the reference photo. I'm usually just looking at colors or large shapes and using those. Anyways, if you want to join me live on Twitch and watch these happen in real time, you can join me at twitch.tv/2wheelsandcoffee. You can make suggestions while I'm painting and maybe I'll include them. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button, maybe subscribe. Lets me know you like what I'm doing. Anyways, until next time, bye.